Today's ride is finally cold enough to try out these knitted oversock things. I don't know if it's going to rain though. This is the first time in my life I actually want it to rain. What are you having for breakfast?
Just like funny chicken nuggets. Stop it.
This is not an easy ride, Jake.
It is an easy ride.
You've been at fucking 300 watts the whole way out. So I thought I'd catch up with Jake after seeing him the other day in the park. We're gonna do, what, made up route in the hills today?
Yeah, just roll in and see what happens.
5 hills?
Yeah.
7 hills, 9 hills.
We'll see how we go.
Just every hill in Surrey.
Every hill we can find.
It's quite a nice day actually. I'm well overdressed. See look, I'm wearing gloves. You guys always give me shit for not wearing gloves. I've got them on. It's too hot. You cannot win.
Well, and the fact that you're wearing a massive jacket.
What?
And the fact that you're wearing a massive jacket.
It's actually a small jacket. It says small in it, just in case it rains. And what happens if it rains?
I'm gonna get very cold.
So first climb of the day, Staple Lane. We thought we'd head out towards Pease Lake, which is really popular with mountain bikers, but the roads through it, beautiful. So nice for the camera.
Very nice.
Happy days.
Good views.
You're not even breathing, you're just chilling.
The hell was that?
Riding with you is like as bad as riding with Harry, but you don't stop every 5 minutes, so you don't even have that saving grace.
And eat an all-day breakfast sandwich.
There is a shop there, Pease Lake Village Stores. You know, I'm pretty sure they do cheese straws. Oh, we're both vegan though.
Yeah, no cheese straws.
Usually I'm with someone who would eat the cheese straws. Kingston Wheelies used to stop there.
Yeah.
We used to eat like 5 cheese straws and just feel sick all the way home.
That story's dangerous. I've bonked round here and basically bought half of that shop before.
Did you eat the cheese? You smashed me so hard, I can't even eat these properly. Like my body's rejecting them.
There must be something wrong.
Talk about on these videos what's the best climb in Surrey.
I think this one.
I think well actually
it's
no. Denbies. It is Denbies, but
if the gates are open.
This is second.
Yeah, the only problem about this is the road, like it's like a river that runs down it, so it's always just covered in shit. But
shouldn't be so precious about your bike. It's always too clean. You feel like you're in the countryside here.
Proper forest, isn't it? Like, you can catch people up.
What are these guys? What kind of bikes are these guys riding? Oh man, hey guys. I never stopped to look at this.
No, me neither. It's
good, right?
Like straight down the hill. Look at that. Beautiful and silent.
Also a great opportunity to catch my breath. Just don't tell him.
I love cycling. I actually do.
It's funny you should say that, you know, mate. Because I've done some new t-shirts.
Ah.
I'll talk about it later.
Your on-ride nutrition is literally a whole bag of Colin the Caterpillar.
Yeah? What's wrong with that?
It's scientifically proven to make you a better cyclist.
Yes.
I should get on that.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
That was the hardest ride I've done in like a year. That was harder than riding with Astana. That was harder than the Lake District. All of the days combined.
I don't agree with that.
It was. It was because the Lake District I could draft. Astana I could draft.
Just a whole bunch
You don't get a draft behind you, but 2, we were riding next to each other the whole time, doing a lot of watts. Well, every time I looked at your power meter, it was like 200 to 250 watts, kind of varied. And you were about 8 kilos lighter than me. 300 up the climbs. Sprinted at the end and dropped that man.
It was a little sprinted.
Because you're not allowed to ride in threes. Sorry, mate. That's why we dropped you.
That was full gas.
Full gas. Well, 83k, just shy of 3 hours, 28 and a half average. I don't know how many meters we did.
Shit tons.
Over 1,000. So.
Over 1,000. There you go. Yeah. Why are our back wheels dirty but our front ones aren't?
They're clean.
That's so weird.
We're just doing wheelies everywhere. That's what it is.
Now, it didn't end up raining, so I thought I would do a quick test to see how waterproof these shoe covers are. I'll take them off in a minute and see if any water got through. Viewers will be pleased to know that we have not solved the car delivery short shop trip problem that we have. We're going to the shops. I'm smashed. Don't know if I'm going to actually be able to walk around the shop. Can I call in sick to you now so I don't have to go? I can just sit in the car, talk to these guys.
So what's the point?
Oh.
You're already in the car.
I am already in the car.
Giacomo messaged me saying, there's Sainsbury's slots if you need them, Daisy. But I'm in the car again. Because it's just easier. If you get a Sainsbury's slot, you have to wait like, sometimes they're not available for like 4 days. So it kind of defeats the point. I need food now.
Well, that's because we don't plan properly.
I'm hungry.
If we plan better, and then we get it delivered before we run out of food.
I don't have time to plan, I've got a job, mate.
And then we don't end up eating takeaway for like 4 days in a row. The conclusion to the overshoe thing is that those grip grab overshoes, they're the nylon knit ones. I'll put a link down below. This is not sponsored. I will continue to test them, hopefully in some real rainy weather, because perhaps they will start to be less waterproof after like 3 hours of rain. What have you been doing?
I went and saw my nan in the garden. She's so small.
You do have the smallest nan.
Like all those children
in the world.
Attached by a fucking piece of rope.
That's kind of sad. They shouldn't need to be tied to a rope
But they
to be
are
safe.
in the rule of 6. Well done, children.
People always ask in the comments why there's no cars in the car park. How is it always so quiet? What's our secret?
The trick is just to go right to the top because no one can be bothered to go right to the top.
Everyone's lazy.
Everyone is lazy and it just means that you get to just roll in like that.
The last thing I was going to talk about in today's video is t-shirts. I finally got around to making some new merch. The last lot I did was back with Jam Cycling, so a really long time ago. This time I'm trying out something new. I'm using Teespring, so they're made to order and they should be appearing below every single video that I upload automatically, like embedded into YouTube. Currently there is one design out there based around I love cycling, because I love cycling. The great thing about this system is that I can add new designs, so we're actually working on some now and they will be uploaded slowly and surely to build that catalogue up. Currently it's just men's and women's black t-shirts and a hoodie with a small logo on. So if you want one, or you want a small way to support the channel, they should all be displaying underneath this video today. Thank you as always for watching. I need to sit and recover because my legs are smashed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.